Welcome to Culinary Adventures. Today we're making coconut cream filled nuts. New viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For the shells, we'll need 4 cups flour, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 ts of baking soda, 200 g butter, 2 TBSP 18% cream, 2 eggs and 1 yolk. For the cream, 1.5 cups coconut flakes, 1.5 cups powdered milk, 75 g butter, 3/4 cup milk, 4 TBSP sugar. Note that I use 250 milliliters cups. This recipe yields about 75 nuts with enough cream. Let's start with the cream. In a pot, add butter and milk and simmer on low heat until the butter melts. Don't let it boil. Remove from heat as soon as the butter has melted. I've prepared powdered milk and coconut flakes. First, I pour in the milk powder and stir right away to prevent lumps. If the butter has boiled, it's best to wait 3 to 5 minutes before adding the milk powder. Don't add it to boiling liquid, but wait a moment. As you can see, I'm stirring and no lumps are forming. It dissolves nicely. Now we add the coconut flakes. The mixture will seem thin at first because it is. It'll thicken most when it's in the fridge, but I'll show you in a moment that it's already starting to thicken. I have the nuts ready. I showed you how to. If you haven't prepared them from my recipe yet, use all the ingredients I listed at the start for the shells. Knead them into dough, make small balls, and I bake mine in the oven. That's how I prepare the nutshells for this coconut filling. Peanuts in an electric toaster. As I said, this portion yields 75 peanuts. The mixture has thickened slightly, but it's not the final consistency yet. It'll thicken more after refrigeration. This is how the consistency should look now. It'll be firmer later. Now, we fill all the shells and then stick them together. You can prepare the shells 3-4 weeks in advance before you plan to use them. They can be stored in a sealed container without filling. Prepare the filling just before serving or up to a week ahead. You can also coat them with chocolate and sprinkle coconut flakes for a fancier presentation. That's an extra option you can try. Comment, subscribe, like, and watch my other videos. This and other recipes are on my blog. Links below the video. Thanks and take care.